Hello and welcome to today's myminimaths.co.uk video tutorial. And today we're going to be looking at the Arithmetic 16 question 2 practice question, which is adding whole numbers with a different number of digits. And first of all, we're going to look at question 2a, which is 216, and we're going to add that to 1285. So the first thing we need to make sure is that we have our units in the same column, tens, hundreds and thousands. So first of all, we're going to add the 6 and the 5 units together to give us 11, so 1 unit, and carry the 10 over. We've got 1 10, 8 tens, and of course the 1 10 that we carried over, so that's 10, carry over into the hundreds, 200, 200, and the 100 we carried over gives us 500, and then we have just a single 1000 here. Some people like to fill the empty gaps in with zeros because that sometimes helps them. So the final answer is 1501. On to question 2b, which is 334, and we're adding 1328. So, as long as we line up our units, our tens, our hundreds, and our thousands. So, here we go. We'll add up our units first. That's 4 add 8, which is 12. Place the 2 in the units and carry that extra 10 over into the tens column. Then we're going to add the tens. So that's 3 tens, that's 30. Add 2 tens, 20. Plus the extra 10 that we carried over here, which is 60. Then we've got the 300, add the 300, which is 600. And finally, we have the 1000 by itself, for a final answer of 1662. And next we're on to question 2c, which is 5114. And we're going to add 297 to it. And for this question, we're going to look at mental addition and do this in our head, because what we can do is we can change this 297 to 300. So we're adding 300 to 5114 instead, and here we've added an extra 3. So if we look at this calculation, we've got 5114, add the 300, so we end up with 5414. And because we added an extra 3 here, we now need to take that 3 away, and it gives us a final answer of 5411. And on to the final question for today, which is question 2d. That's 546, and we're going to add 2781. Ensuring that we line up the units, the tens, the hundreds and the thousands. So 6 units add 1 unit, 7 units. We've got 4 tens add 8 tens, 12 tens, so carry into the hundreds column. We've got the hundreds, so that's 100, 500 and 700, that's 1300. Carry the thousands over, and then finally we have 1000 and 2000 to give us 3000, for a final answer of 3327. Thank you very much for listening today, and I look forward to speaking to you again tomorrow. Take care.